Um, okay, good afternoon. I hope everyone is fine. I hope everyone is doing well. I know it's been a while since I've brought up a video, and I've been working on a thing or two. Um, it's something that caught my eye. That's the reason why I'm doing this video today. It's all about Bitcoin. Okay, so this video will be short. Okay, so let's hop into the video. Alright, as we can see, last week we had Bitcoin reaching its all-time high, which was around how should we put it? Which was around 68,000. Okay, 68,900, around that area, which surpassed its previous high, which was around 67,000, creating its breaking its new high, its previous high, and creating a new high, which is now the 68,900 area. Okay. So something caught my eye. You know, we all studied break of market structure, like how the market works. Okay, we have pullback, impulse, correction, impulse, correction. Okay, that's the same thing we are expecting Bitcoin to do. Okay, because we can see that we had an impulse, a correction, another push phase, which created a new high, now a correction. Okay, why am I teaching you this stuff that you already know? It's not about the stuff you already know, it's about what is going to happen within the months. Okay, this is just my mere perspective I'm talking about here. Okay, so now I'm expecting, let me clear this here. Okay, so let me also clear this. So you are expecting Bitcoin to do what? Rally to create its all-time high. So let's say prices couldn't what? Prices retested around here, retested around before it broke through, creating its new high around the zone before coming back to that zone it retested to become a support. Okay, now we are expecting prices to rally upwards. Yes, I know we are expecting prices to rally upwards to create a new high, a possible new high in the market. Okay, because analysts are expecting that prices are supposed to reach 100,000 by the end of December. That's what we are expecting. But then prices just don't work that way. Okay, I realized yesterday I was just going through my chart and I saw this. Yes, I saw a divergence happening. Okay, those who don't know what divergence are, let me type it here so that if you don't know, you can go and research on them. Okay, divergence. Okay, those who don't know what divergence are, this is divergence. Okay, you can go and research it on YouTube. Okay, divergence is when you realize that divergence helps us to locate reversal in the market, in a huge reversal or a turning point in the market. Okay, so how do you spot divergence? Divergence is being spotted by the help of some indicators, some oscillators. Okay, oscillators, they measure price movement at a particular point in time or at a period of time. So I realized that in my indicator, that's the RSI, we have a bearish divergence and we are creating a higher high. We are creating a higher high on our chart and we are creating a higher low on our RSI. Okay, that being said, prices, we are expecting prices to do what? To reverse, and lo and behold, it's happened. Prices have started reversing into the downward side. Okay, prices have started reversing into the downward side. I don't know whatever that is going to happen here, but then what I will do is, this is a daily time frame, and in Bitcoin, because market is very volatile, a daily candle, if you catch just a single move in a daily candle which goes into your favor, you would be you will be in much profit. So for me, what I'm going to do is that since I already know that the market is being reversing into the downward trend, where will I target? Okay, the places I would be looking for, or the areas I would be looking for, would be around 52,000 and 52,000 and let's say 52,000 and just say and 56,000. Okay, these are the areas where I would be looking for that I want the market to do something here for me. Okay, that being said, how am I going to enter into this market? I know some of you guys have already entered in the market already by pushing downward. Yesterday I called this to my friend to take this trade because it's a very nice trade. Had it been that he had taken the trade yesterday, he would have made some profits in the market. So I will go into my 4-hour time frame. Let's see if we can get some downward opportunities around that zone. Okay, so let's see into my 4-hour time frame. This is what I'm going to do. I'm expecting prices, since prices has retested this side twice. Price has retested this side once and twice, and now prices have come back again to do whatever he wants to do in the market. This side we are expecting, if I see that my candlesticks breaks below this zone, this region, okay, my candlesticks breaks below this region, it will be enabling me to go short, thereby going into the smaller time frames, such as the 1 hour or the 15 minutes, to see if I can get going into the 15 minutes time frame to see a break and retest. Okay, a break and retest before I'll be expecting where prices that prices should do something for me. Okay, so this is what I'm expecting in Bitcoin in the coming days, that I'm expecting Bitcoin to do what? Rally to the 56,000 or the 52,000 area before heading towards its new high or its previous high. That's what I'm expecting. This is not a financial advice, it's my mere perspective of what I think the Bitcoin is going to do in the next couple of weeks. So I'm just putting it out there. So those who want to buy Bitcoin now, I think they should hold on, sit and analyze the market and understand what the market is doing at this point in time before they hop into the charts. Okay, I trade Bitcoin, I trade cryptos, but I'm not really much into cryptos. But then the divergence shows clearly that prices are going downwards in direction. If you take the daily candle, okay, the divergence shows clearly that this is what prices are doing. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and more contents are coming up soon. Once again, have a healthy week and take care of yourself.